In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vibrant visuals in Minecraft iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Vibrant visuals are one of the most exciting features released in the past months. It basically adds shaders into Minecraft by default, so you don't have to download mods to get it to work. This is currently only available in Minecraft Bedrock, so keep that in mind. It is eventually going to be ported over to Minecraft Java Edition, but for now it is available in Bedrock. Make sure that you update the game to the latest version available, so if needed, go into the App Store and download the latest version of Minecraft from there. Now, to actually enable it, before you join the world, go into the settings of the game, choose the video category, and under graphics mode, if you updated your game, you should have vibrant visuals. So you will have simple, fancy, and then vibrant visuals. This is a graphically intense feature that could affect game performance on your device, but most modern devices should be able to handle this, so don't worry. Tap enable, and now vibrant visuals are going to be enabled. You will have some additional options here, such as shadow quality, clouds, volumetric fog, reflections, bloom. You will have upscaling, resolution, and then render distance and brightness. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave it all on default. But of course, if you have a very powerful device or you want to see what Minecraft looks like with everything on maximum, you can enable these sliders all the way to ultra. But I'm just going to go ahead, go back, and then choose a world to play in. You will be able to notice the differences immediately when you join. Now, as you saw, there was a warning telling us that it could affect performance. If you have an older device, then you might notice that the FPS or the frames will drop, but I believe that it is worth it because the game is going to look much better. So as you can see, here it is. I'm going to set the time today and cancel out this rain so you can see what it looks like. But it is a very nice way of playing Minecraft. It can bring a lot of life to an old world or a world that you have played in for a while, so I highly recommend trying this out. So this is how it looks like when I clear the weather and I set the time today. So you will be able to notice the shadows when the sun is cast and other things like glowing blocks, reflecting light, and so on. Now, I don't have a particular good way to demonstrate this, but you should be able to notice when you join any pre-existing world. And like I said before, this option is going to be available if you are playing in the latest version of Minecraft, so be sure to update your game as needed. Now, sadly, my device isn't the best, so it is lagging a lot, but you can clearly notice the shadows reflecting here. If I look at the sun, there's a lot of bloom, and overall, it looks very pretty. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.